Hello everyone, my name is Pavium. I hope you all are well today. We are going to be playing a Tier 4 American Phoenix light cruiser in this archipelago domination map. Now I really am hoping that this is going to be a good game because I've had a string of bad games today, and I am just really hoping that I can actually do pretty decent and get another video up. We do have a fully upgraded Phoenix, which is nice. Isn't she pretty? Yeah.
Battle starts.
Alright. So where are we going to go? Well, it's a close quarters map. I think I'm gonna head down towards Alpha. It's just a lot more teammates on that side, and I'd rather just be with my team instead of out alone. So yeah, let's go ahead and head out over there. Slow and steady wins the race. Do 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 do. I'm kind of sad that there's no aircraft carriers this game because we do have a decent anti-aircraft armament. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Of course, just like every game, depending on where you go, can completely determine the outcome. So, just something to be aware of. Note to self, you get really detected whenever you use your horn like that.
Enemy destroyer detected.
Alright. This thing has a lot of guns. It's pretty nice. Okay, so first target showing up. Not quite in my effective range of fire, but pretty close. Got a cruiser here, St. Louis. Shots go out. Lead. Ooh, good hits. Fire again. And that is a close quarters destroyer. Okay, so we need to focus on that guy. I don't know where he went though. Can't see him through the smoke. I do not like destroyers. Destroyers kill ships, and I am one of them. And I know I can't play a destroyer, but they're dangerous, and I know that for a fact. So instantly we're going to kind of just back off a little bit here. Maybe port our guns towards this way, fire our rear ones. Man, I really like the ability to fire in almost all directions. Like, that's nice. I can just go over here, target St. Louis, put some rounds down range. Oh, we set a fire on the battleship we shot at. Those are nice. I'm gonna start putting rounds into St. Louis, giving us his broadside. And he's going to get torpedoed. Oh, he missed. Okay. No worries. We have a good firing solution on him. So keep on making it rain, baby. Making it rain. Alright, he's going to turn into those. Those are going to miss. Go ahead and turn. Good hits. And I think he's going to be finished there. And we get... No! We got robbed! No! Oh well. Can't get them all. gonna fire, put some rounds out on that enemy battleship. I think they're gonna miss. I can't exactly tell what elevation on the water he is or where he is exactly in relevance to my guns. And I think those... Okay, thank God. Alright, no team damage. I always worry about that sort of thing.
Our team has taken the lead.
Alright, so full speed ahead. I'm gonna start heading inland.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Need to get in the action fast, and I'm hoping with this thing I can zip right by and try to get there as soon as I can. Try to get some more shots downrange before the match ends. We're at 22,000 damage, but I really would love to double that, if possible. Keyword if, but we'll see. It's an even number of ships on both teams. However, we do have we have a good solid 100 point lead, which is nice.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Alright. Let's see. Do have a battleship over there. He's turning. I'll put some rounds out, why not? Not expecting these to hit. I'm just gonna kind of throw them out there, see what happens. Okay, got some target hits. We do have an enemy destroyer sneaking up behind us, heading towards our A point, which is fine. Just making it rain. We are aiming too far ahead. Just. Hoping these new shells hit their mark, and he's slowly becoming out of range. Alright. So I need to turn and start kind of heading towards the center of the map, where we can actually do more damage. Because I really want to get in this fight. Huge fight happening all around us. We can't really get in it, just because of elevations and land restrictions. Come on, Mountain, get out of my way. Some of those got through, not all of them. Oh, that cruiser's in a world of hurt. He's set on fire. He's dead. He's just having a bad day. And it looks like my team is going to kill almost all of the enemy ships before I can get in range. We do have some things to shoot at over here. So put some rounds down range on this enemy Myogi. He's not even moving, I don't think. Yeah, so why am I leading the shots? That's terrible. Should be focusing on him directly. Now my shots are too high. See, I told you I wasn't good. He is returning fire. I'm gonna go ahead and turn. His shots are wildly inaccurate, just like mine are. Okay, we got a fire going. Those are always nice. He is not happy about us. He just used his repair consumable, which means it's going to burn for a while. Got another fire going. Shots are away. He's firing his guns at me. Gonna turn the ship. Turn the ship more. Alright, we're good. Gonna quickly rotate the turn, same over here. Put some rounds on that guy. He looks like he's having a good day. Let's just ruin that. Set on fire. That's always nice. Some good solid hits on the enemy of Orion over there. This is the good game that I needed. This is awesome. Plenty of targets to shoot at. Just gonna start peppering this Myogi again. Just gonna keep on setting them on fire, just trying to get some damage going. He's like stopping and shooting, which is awkward. Just gonna keep on making it rain. Shots are out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn. Yeah, he really does not like me, which is fine. I mean, he can hate me all he wants, but I'm still gonna keep shooting at him. I'm actually going to do a turn. I need to aim higher. I'm not exactly hitting my target. Need to aim higher. Come on, guns. I'm just going to start spamming armor piercing to see if that helps. All guns are reloading. Fire shots out, armor piercing out. I'm not too sure what our penetration is on our guns, but maybe they're pinned, maybe not, I'm not sure. 3 ships on our team, 3 ships on their team. They're all kind of medium health. We're all kind of healthy, to be honest. Not too sure what damage I'm doing. I'm just trying to just shoot people, to be honest. There's some more shots. And of course, this guy, he's firing point blank to the side of a mountain. Fantastic. Kudos to you, sir. Point blank, firing right broadside in. I'm not too sure if our guns can penetrate, but we're about to find out. Yeah, we're not really doing that much damage. We can do one more salvo, see if it works. Switch back to armor piercing. Now this is dangerously close to a battleship. I mean, this is not the speed and distance you want to be when you're fighting a battleship, because this is on their terms. Luckily though, his aim is about as good as mine. It's pretty bad. Keep on firing high explosive for now because we don't need to use armor piercing. 54,000 damage, we're doing okay. Okay, we can no longer shoot them. My team is still engaging the other battleships. I'm still focusing on this Myogi. I'm somehow still alive. I mean, I should have been dead a long time ago, but I'm not, which is kind of funny. It's firing back, turn into the shot. Took a little bit of damage, not bad. He's on fire. Just going to keep on turning. He's fully on fire right now. He's not having a good day. Just going to keep on firing, aim for his turrets. Try to knock his guns out of action. Would really make my life easier if I could get some gun hits and just go ahead and knock out some of his turrets. I have to sink this Myogi because we've already lost another ship. So it's basically just, you know, 1v, 2v3 right now. I really need him to die. He's almost dead. It's about 7,000 HP left. I'm the last man alive. Okay. oh boy, baby, this is going to be hard. Well, the good news is that we hold 2 capture points, so all I need to do is just kill this Myogi and then cap. If I can kill this Myogi and then cap C, then I actually might be able to win. If I can't, then, you know, it's not going to be good. So I need to kill this Myogi and kind of move on with my life. Because he's causing me problems and he needs to die. Now, turn to guns, put shots over here. Okay.
Our victory is in sight.
And the good news is we're winning. Like, we are winning. We can win this. We got to get through it. Like, okay, there he is. Enemy ship spotted. Fire deterrence. Come on, baby. Come on. He's almost dead. He's almost dead. All I need to do is just kill him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Kill him. 36 HP? Seriously? Ugh. Okay. Move on.
Battleship destroyed.
He is killed. I'm gonna actually cease fire here. Well, actually, we should just keep on engaging because, I mean, this guy needs to die too. And if we can engage him at range, we have better. Might be able to dodge better. This Orion, though, actually knows what to do. Ow.
Critical engine damage.
Ow.
Problem solved.
Come on, game. Come on. Come on.
The ship is on fire.
Well, we're gonna lose because of me, and that's really unfortunate. I mean, we're on fire. We're still detected. Oh boy. I mean, we're burning right now. The flames are gonna go out in 10 seconds though. Oh my god. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, 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 turn. We're dead. Oh my goodness gracious. Ugh. What's she gonna do? I mean, 81,000 damage. Ugh. And we lost, but I mean, jeez, dude. I mean, you can't really doubt that right there. That was a good game. But thank you guys for watching. I definitely appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time.